Hey guys, so today I have two new American Girl dolls, and I have the Truly Me number 75 boy, and the Truly Me number 84 is the girl, and the twins, which I will be using them or calling them twins or whatever, so let's get started. So first, we're focusing on the boy. He's closer, and I'm just gonna do him first. So let's open this. So, opening the box. Their boxes are so hard to open. I don't know why they are. They never... Gosh, this is annoying. I'm getting flashbacks from that video, the One Direction video I did a while ago. If you haven't watched that, I'll pop the link in the description. The box would not open. That was so annoying. So here we go. Here he is. He's got the new meat outfit, which is really something. My number 74 is Carter. He's got the old one. I got him in 2020, and he's like one of my favorite dolls, honestly. So here he is. My filming setup doesn't hold at all. Sorry about that. So he's so cute, I swear. They've been out of the box, both of them. I pulled them. I got them for Christmas, and just now I've got around to filming the video. And I undid her hairnet because I was not gonna wait. But I've left this styrofoam on their hands and feet, mostly because I didn't want them to get scratched or nicked. So I'm gonna take it off now. But there's something satisfying about this, I swear. So here he is. He's so cute. It's like got a little AG thing here. It's like a polo shirt, long sleeve, and then he's wearing jeans and these cute little shoes. Which the shoes that came on my other boy, Carter, I didn't like those as much. I mean, they were cute, but they were green, and I'm just like, I like green, but they were like lime electric green. They were weird green. But anyway, these are so cute. Like, honestly, I liked the shirt he had, really. Was really cute. And here's the book. They all come with the same book. I've got like 5 copies of this book now. Anyway, yeah. Next is the girl. So, maybe this box will come off a little easier. Now, how did that one come off so easy? The other one, I don't know. Anyway, she's got the same book. The Friends, Making Them and Keeping Them. And I don't even know how many copies of this book I have now. I've got 2 Truly Me's. I guess I've got 4 now. I don't really know. I've got enough. Anyway, and her hair is caught on the neck thing. Let me see. There. She is so cute. I love her. I love her hair. I love the color of it. I love the length of it. I love just the wig style. The curly is so pretty. When I got her or wanted her, I was either wanting and 64 and 84. And I decided to get the 84 because of the hair, because the 64 has shorter hair. And I just love AG's Asian dolls. And I left her hand things on too. I'll go ahead and take them off. And she's got the new meat outfit too. So I just love this pink bomber jacket. It's so cute. And then she's got the new dress, which has got stars. And I guess the other one had stars, but it was pink and silver. and it had the little mesh hem. It was really cute, and I've got like 2 of that dress too. And I love these shoes way more than the silver ones that were on the old outfit. I just love that they're pink, and they're so cute. But anyway, yeah. So here they are, both of them, out of the box, whatever. And I have decided to name them Jade and Jason Williams. So they're twins, so they kind of have similar names or whatever. And her hair is a mess right now. It's windy out here, and everything is just a mess right now because it's windy and it's blowing everything. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!